F208 8K dual-camera GPS drone, precision meets power. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the F208 GPS drone, a high-performance quadcopter built for professional photography, intelligent flight, and powerful remote control integration. Designed for both hobbyists and aspiring content creators, the F208 combines cutting-edge features such as dual 8K HD cameras, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, delivering an ultra-smooth, immersive FPV experience. With an integrated 4.3-inch LCD screen on the remote controller, you no longer need to rely on your smartphone. Enjoy real-time video transmission, intelligent GPS-assisted flight modes, and extended flight time, all wrapped in a foldable, durable design that travels wherever your vision takes you. Key features: 8K Ultra HD dual cameras. Capture stunning aerial footage with ultra-sharp detail. The front camera delivers vibrant, high-resolution photos and videos, while the bottom camera offers optical flow stabilization and wide-angle perspective for smooth, cinematic shots. 5G HD real-time FPV transmission. Experience seamless, low-latency video streaming to the remote's built-in LCD screen. No smartphone required. Just turn on, fly, and see your flight in real time up to 600 meters away. Intelligent 4.3-inch LCD screen remote controller. Forget about third-party apps or mobile devices. The remote control comes with an integrated screen that displays live video feed, GPS data, battery levels, and flight status with crystal clarity, even under direct sunlight. GPS plus optical flow positioning. Fly smarter with GPS-assisted flight modes such as auto return, follow me, and waypoint navigation. The drone also includes optical flow sensors for improved indoor hovering and altitude hold, ensuring smooth, stable flight indoors and outdoors. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Equipped with advanced sensors that detect and avoid obstacles automatically, making flights safer, especially in complex environments or during autonomous modes. Long flight endurance. The powerful modular lithium battery supports up to 20 to 25 minutes of continuous flight, giving you more airtime to capture your perfect shot or explore wide landscapes. Foldable and portable design. The F208's arms fold inward for easy transport and storage, making it the perfect companion for travel, hiking, or spontaneous shoots. What's in the box? One F208 GPS drone, 8K dual camera. One 4.3 inches LCD screen remote controller. One rechargeable drone battery. One charging cable, USB. 4 spare propellers. One screwdriver. One user manual. Note: multiple battery packages may be available depending on configuration. Who is it for? The F208 is perfect for beginner pilots seeking safety and ease of use, amateur and pro photographers looking for high-quality footage, travelers and vloggers needing a foldable, all-in-one solution, FPV enthusiasts who want crystal-clear, phone-free flight visuals. Technical specifications: camera resolution front, 8K, bottom, 720p. Transmission 5G Wi-Fi FPV. Remote distance up to 600 meters. Flight time 20 to 25 minutes per battery. Control method remote with built-in LCD screen. Obstacle avoidance yes. 360 degrees infrared sensors. Battery capacity 7.4 volts 2200 mAh LiPo. Charging time approximately 90 minutes. GPS mode yes. Auto return, waypoint, etc.